Question is, if A is root 6 2i 3 plus root 6 and root 12 and 3 plus root 3 plus root 8i and 3 root 2 plus root 6i and root 18 root 2 plus root 12i and root 27 plus 2i. This is matrix A. Then determinant of A is as an integer or as a natural number or an irrational number or imaginary number. Well, let us take A, matrix A, that is root 6 2i 3 plus root 6 root 12 root 3 plus root 8i and 3 root 2 plus root 6i root 18 and root 2 plus root 12i and root 27 plus 2i. If we take the determinant of this, the determinant will be root 6 2i 3 plus root 6 root 12 root 3 plus root 8i and 3 root 2 plus root 6i and root 18 and root 2 plus root 12i and root 27 plus 2i. Now in this determinant, let us apply for the row transformations, like take root 6 common in column 1. When you take root 6 common in column 1, then det of A would become root 6 times of 1 2i, and this is 3 plus root 6, and this is root 2 3 plus root 8 into I, and this is 3 root 2 plus root 6i, and this is root 3 root 2 plus root 12i and root 27 plus 2i is left. Now apply the transformations of r2 replaced by r2 minus root 2 r1 and r3 replaced by r3 minus root 3 r1. Then these two positions will be keeping 0. Therefore det of A will become root 6 into, it is 1, this is 2i, this is 3 plus root 6, and this is 0, this is 0, and here it will be root 3, here it will be root 2. This is root 6i minus 2 root 3, and this is 2i minus 3 root 2. Well, expand using the column 1. Expanding using column 1, we'll get det of A is equals to root 6 into root 3 into 2i is 2 root 3i minus 3 into root 2 is 3 root 6 minus of root of 12, that is into I, and minus into minus plus 2 into root 6. Therefore det of A is equals to root 6 into 2 root 3i minus 3 root 6 minus root 12 can be written as 2 root 3i and plus 2 root 6. This gets cancelled and leaving with minus 3 root 6 plus 2 root 6 is minus root 6 into minus root 6, that is minus 6. Therefore det of A is equals to minus 6. This is an integer. Hence, which option is going to be the correct option? That is option A is going to be the correct option for this question.